Hello friends, welcome to my channel back again. Today topic is what is four-stroke engine. A four-stroke engine is an interior combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes while turning the crankshaft. A stroke refers to the full travel of the piston along the cylinder in either direction. Let us learn how does four-stroke engine work in 3D animation. So this is first stock, this is second stock, and this is third stock, and this is fourth stock. Piston moves downwards, decrease in the pressure in the cylinder, the intake valve open, a mixture of air and fuel flows from the carburetor into the cylinder. Both the intake and exhaust valve are closed. The piston moves upwards, compressing the mixture of air and fuel and thereby increasing its temperature. Sparking plug uses electricity from the copper coil. The sparking plug ignites the compressed and heated mixture of fuel and air. The explosion pushes the piston down. The piston moves upwards, the exhaust valve opens and the exhaust gas are expelled. This is inline four-cylinder engine. There is difference between four-stroke and four-cylinder. Four-stroke means intake, compression, power and exhaust. These four-stroke occur in single cylinder. Four cylinders means there are single four cylinder connected to crankshaft. This is 3D animation. This is structure of inline four cylinder engine. This is 3D animation of inline four cylinder engine. Here you can see how does the engine works. The piston are connected to the crankshaft. Crankshaft is connected to the gearbox. The moment of piston increases, the speed of gearbox also increases. This is animation of a car with inline four-cylinder engine. Here you can see the basic parts of an engine, steering, suspensions, brakes, air filter, gearbox, liquid air cooler. Advantages of four-stroke engine. Four-stroke engine make less pollution as compared to two-stroke engine. Oil is not needed in mixture as two-stroke engine. Higher engine efficiency. Disadvantages of four-stroke engine: low power output, heavy vibrations, complex structure. It creates higher torque at lower RPM.